Nice chap from an AV installer came around today, helped me fit up the last height channel. Or these are middle, they're kind of like voice of God channels for Dolby Atmos. You know, because Dolby Atmos doesn't have a kind of voice of God sort of thing. Well, now it does, because it's called Dolby Overhead God. Yeah, if you know what I mean. So that's height 1. So it just sort of runs through the matrix decoder. You know, you've seen the vid. The SA10s that I'm using. There's the other one. Let's see. Change the, and the other one, of course, back there. So there, that was us just fitted up this morning. The guy, he had a little listen to Avatar. I haven't played it in a while myself, and he recommended one scene that he kind of liked. Yeah, it's got nice ambient, eerie sounds that you could kind of relate to, like predatorial instincts. You know, when you turn around and because you react to something that's in danger, kind of danger sort of thing. I think it was chapter 7. Got the battle sequence on playing at the moment, so that's all up and running. All I've got to do is finish up the cables, finish on the acoustical tiling, and I can tuck in all the cables in between. You know, in between between the tiles, and wouldn't see the cables. I wouldn't even know they're there myself unless I went looking for them. But yeah, it integrates nicely. I thought it would kind of be, but it kind of works better than enable speakers firing sound upwards, which really. But I can understand why some people wouldn't. But yeah, it's not easy to fit speakers that are a little bit large. Just need 2 people to do it, but you know, they go up nicely. Just use the right fittings, and yeah, I wouldn't personally want to try and hang on it, you know, hold it to sort of prove that it's really good, but it's up there, if you know what I mean. That's up there. Yeah, it's up there. I could put another zone of side surrounds in, 8330s or 8330As, but then if I did that, I might as well just change out everything, but I might as well get some 8330 Mark 2s, if I can get any more. I've got others down here that haven't been installed yet. I was thinking of putting them on the back wall. Fitting them on the back wall, I mean, that's something I could do. A bit easy. So it's only drilling, wall plugging and fitting it on. But when it's putting something up on the ceiling like such, it's a bit awkward. You only risk losing grip, thing banging you on the head and ending up in the casualty. Accident. I'm just checking through EQ levels, you know, just to adjust the frequencies on the, so the tonally is sound as close as to each other, one in each one in turn. Adjust levels. But, yeah, I mean, it was all running actively or with the JBL Control 5s that I was using on there, but sort of thought cheap 8333As, thought take a jump on it. I can always use those the Control 5s, which I'm thinking to do some extra special channel sounding in the room. So where they're going to get placed, which would be in a different location, not on the ceiling. They won't be placed there. Probably be somewhere maybe around the floor level. I might change change the control 1s out, put the 5s in, and then put more of the control 1s under the seating for a different sort of signal processing sound. Yeah, but I think that's about as immersive it can be. I mean, it's not like going underwater, which is a totally different thing. Oh, and then the pressure gets on your eardrum, and then you feel the pressure, and you feel the water kind of against the body and the skin, the muscles, and you know what I mean. Wow. Wow.
It's Sully.
Wow. 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 Birds flying all over around the room.
It's Sully.
Whoa, wow.
Left on! Reach alarm!
Wow. Whoa. Wicked. Whoa. Wow. 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 Sounds like it's, you know, with the editing, you know, the sound editing in some parts, and then where you see some things that are not kind of on screen, with the spaceship breaking the trees above the branches. Things on that scene there. Wow. Oh. Flipping heck. Yeah, brilliant. Wow. 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 Ooh.
Come on, come to Papa.
Oh! Oh.
Give it up, Parch. It's all over.
I like the dialogue panning. I like the dialogue panning.
Give it up, Parch.
Those, because with the 5 screen running, it could be anywhere, you know, sometimes common center, or move over maybe left center, or over left, or over to right center, or over to right. Yeah, I should turn the projector on, but you know, can always do that another time.
It's all over.
Nothing's over while I'm breathing.
I kind of hoped you'd say that.
Wow. Whoa.
Come on!
Wow. Oh, that's a good bit of panning.
Come on!
The jacks. Front. Crash, 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 and goes over to the rear back.
Hey, Sully. How's it feel to betray your own race? You think you're one of them? Time to wake up.
Wow. Fade that down. So, yeah. I think I've calculated. I think I miscalculated the other time. It's a little bit more than I thought. There's quite a lot of JBL in this room. So it's almost getting close to 200. Let's just put it that way. It's almost getting close to 200. Not far off. 200 speakers. Maybe I should go a little bit more, then surpass what the Odeon Leicester Square is, because they say they got 400. I could easily go over 400 in this room.